Alright, here it is, 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. An original car, original code 19 car. Silver and red bird, 66403. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. That's not working right now, it's inoperable. Beautiful body and paint, it looks all original to me. Nice, really clean red interior. Couple blemishes on the paint, not perfect, but you know what? For the money I'm asking, this ain't gonna last long. Check us out at mgmclassiccars.com. Call me and text me for delivery at 847-848-1850. Again, mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, and this is my 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, original car, code 19, with T-tops ready for delivery.